I'm making chocolate chip cookies with nuts and using a KitchenAid stand mixer. You'll need 2¼ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar, which means it's firmly pressed into the measuring cup until it's level with the top. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 1¾ of a cup of milk chocolate chips, 1 cup of finely chopped walnuts or pecans. I'm using walnuts. The butter needs to be at room temperature for the best results. Take the butter out of the refrigerator 1 to 2 hours before cooking. If the butter is too soft, the cookies will spread out too much. If the butter is too hard, the cookies won't spread out. Heat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine the flour, baking soda, and salt into a bowl and mix it together. Put the butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, and vanilla extract into the mixing bowl and mix at a slow speed. If you're using a KitchenAid stand mixer, turn it on speed 2 and beat it for 30 seconds. Stop the mixer and scrape the sides of the bowl. Turn the speed to 4 and beat for another 30 seconds. Stop the mixer and scrape the sides of the bowl. Add 1 egg. Turn the mixer on speed 2 and mix for 15 to 20 seconds. Add the second egg to the mixture and turn the mixer on speed 2 for an additional 15 to 20 seconds. Gradually add the flour, baking soda, and salt mixture into the mixing bowl. Add about 1/4 of the mixture at a time. Turn the mixer on speed 1 for about 20 to 30 seconds. Turn off the mixer and scrape the sides of the bowl. Then repeat 3 more times. After adding the last of the mixture, turn the mixer on speed 2 and mix for an additional 30 seconds. Add the chocolate chips and nuts to the mixing bowl. Turn the mixer on speed 1 and mix for about 15 seconds. Over-mixing the batter can result in tough cookies. On 2 large cookie sheets, cut parchment paper to cover the cookie sheet. Scoop rounded tablespoons of the mixture and place them about 1 inch apart on the cookie sheet. Try to keep them as uniform in size as possible for the best results. Put the cookie sheets in the oven for 9 to 11 minutes. The baking time will vary by the oven and how long the oven has been on. Halfway through the baking time, rotate the cookie sheets in the oven to get a more even bake. Remove the cookie sheets from the oven when the cookies are golden brown. Using the parchment paper, slide the cookies onto a cooling rack or the countertop to cool for about 2 minutes. Then place them in an airtight storage container. This recipe makes 4 to 5 dozen cookies. Cookies will usually stay fresh for 3 to 7 days in an airtight container. They'll last 1 to 2 weeks if you store them in the refrigerator, and they can last 1 to 3 months when stored in the freezer.